Hey guys, welcome to another episode. It's your boy Gabe, and today...
Listen, bud. Listen.
What?
Get out of the kitchen.
What? Why?
Because I'm cooking today.
Oh,
it's me. I'm cooking. You do.
Oh, that's right. All right, well, fine. We'll do it his way.
Cooking.
All right, this man is cooking for me. This is Tyler.
Yeah.
And so what are you cooking for me today?
I'm going to be cooking you some pork katsu with some buttered lemon green beans and with a little sauce to go on top with it. That's going to be pretty good. I'm excited.
I'm excited. He's been kind of hyping me up about it. And so let's go ahead and get started, shall we? All right, so what are we starting with first, sir?
We're going to start with the green beans. I'm going to have you open these up for me. Get them sliced up, get them trimmed down. And I am going to start zesting one of these lemons.
I'm excited. So where did you come up, or I guess find this so-called creation of pork katsu?
Well, I was living with my sister. One of the things that she got was a chicken katsu, and I made that, and we fell in love with that. It was amazing, and I actually really do like pork too as well, so I figured we would try pork katsu, just changing out the meat, really. So yeah, that was basically it. Sounded good, so I was like, hey, I know Gabe likes pork, I like to cook, and Gabe likes to cook, so we'll bring it all together. So.
In my defense, I have taught him a little bit, but today he is teaching me something, because I don't think I've ever had this before, and so this is going to be a new one for me. Don't get me wrong, yes, I do like pork. But this should be interesting. I'm excited about this one. He kind of gave me the rundown of what it is exactly, and yeah, I'm excited. Let's see. You're just going for the essence.
Yeah, the essence of lemon, basically. Yeah, you got it.
See, I've taught him a few things.
Exactly.
All right. So you got your
get you some juice going.
Juicy.
Pretty juicy lemon. I feel like I need a little bit more.
Yeah, sometimes you get your juice. Ooh,
there she is. There's the juice.
Oh, it's making noises over here now. So did you choose to do pork just because, or is it just that it worked for the dish and that was that?
Well, I do have a wonderful girlfriend who loves pork, and we've done a lot of the bone-in pork before, but she likes the crispy katsu. So I figured, best of both worlds.
Okay, there you go.
The pork do the crispiness, and
please all.
And then from there, we'll just blanch them for 3 to 5 minutes. I don't know. How do you like your green beans? You like them crunchy? You like them soft?
I like a little bit of crunch.
Yeah, probably about 4 minutes. 4 minutes. Yep. So now that we've done some prep work, we've got the lemon zest, some of the juice going. Gabe's gonna get the beans going in. He's gonna blanch them up real good, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do the pork. So get yourself some pork tenderloins. None of that bone-in stuff. You're gonna be finding these, so just make sure you get the tenderloins.
No one likes bones.
No one likes eating bones, correct. We're gonna need vegetable oil. This is what we're gonna be frying them in. Flour. We're gonna need some panko. Eggs. That's gonna be your binder. And then we got salt, pepper, and then I'm gonna throw some paprika on there. And then some Maldon salt, some flaky salt at the end to finish. We got the eggs in there. Go ahead and whisk these bad boys up.
I'm gonna see how much noise I can make while you're talking. So don't mind me.
That's all right.
I'm more excited just to eat the pork because I like my pork, but I do like green beans too. I promise. I eat my fruits and vegetables on a daily. I just probably don't eat enough.
So we're forcing him to have some greens.
We're eating some green beans today, whether I like it or not. We're eating green beans.
All right. So probably gonna put in here, I don't know, maybe a cup of flour. I'm not really one to follow recipes very closely, as long as it's it's close.
So how many pork chops do you actually
I've got 4 pork chops here. We got 3 eggs, probably a cup and a half of flour. We're gonna add our pepper, throw in some salt here. You having fun over there, bud?
I'm just letting the world know that I eat my vegetables, so I need salt. That's what Gabe needs.
Salt is important. Salt is a staple in any diet.
That's right. High blood pressure.
And now we're gonna just throw the panko directly in there. So we've got the egg dredge, we've got our flour, we've got our fancy stove.
Just for this.
Just for this occasion, because we need all the space we can get.
I'm gonna see how fast I can break this though. But no, I think we're okay. All right, so it's all you.
This is actually a fairly large pan, unfortunately, so probably about 2.5 cups of vegetable oil here.
I'm definitely not critiquing, but I'm totally critiquing right now, so just don't mind me. Just don't.
That's all right. He's gonna come through and like put his own touch, his own flair.
Don't mind me whatsoever, please. Just ignore what I'm doing, and this is just me being me, okay?
Right,
so just
fine. Totally fine.
Accept that this is still your food dish, and just don't mind me.
Yeah. One time, next thing we're letting this oil heat up. We are going to go ahead and grab our pork tenderloins. Are actually quite thick. I'd say that's probably about an inch, maybe 3/4 of an inch thick. So what we're going to do here, Gabe has so graciously blocked the cutting board with our, we're going to go ahead and flatten these guys out so they cook a little bit better.
Watch and learn. Movie magic, guys.
Movie magic.
We're just going to move that off the side. Okay?
I have pork hands, so I can't touch everything.
Do you want my secret gloves?
Secret gloves?
I got a secret stash.
He's giving me all sorts of
I got a secret stash.
And we're going to take our handy dandy mallet, our meat tenderizer, and get these guys flattened out a little bit. Like I said, you want whenever you fry your meat, you want to make sure that you, thank you, sir. See, I'm learning every day. You want to make sure that the meat is, a little bit more flat. It cooks evenly instead of, being real thick, and then it burns on the outside and it's raw on the inside. So, good idea to flatten your meat out.
Hang on, I'm going to pause you from beating your meat for a minute. There you go.
Thank
All right,
you,
continue. You can continue beating
I
your meat.
appreciate that. He's always looking out for me.
Yeah, don't interrupt the man beating his meat. It's bad etiquette.
Bad etiquette, yeah.
So we're pounding it too?
Yeah, I mean, I guess I can pound it down a little bit more. I feel like
I'm gonna show you how to pound some meat. Come on.
All right.
I've taught you.
We got a professional chef in the kitchen.
I'm gonna show you how to pound your meat. You gotta take anger and aggression out. That's why it's a hammer, okay? Because men use hammers. So you gotta like. So when I pound meat,
okay.
What you do is when you hit, you kind of pull it out, and it also makes your pork bigger in a sense.
Okay.
So I'll show you. Professional meat pounder, okay?
And already you can see.
Yeah, like it doubled in size.
It's already.
See, look, compared to this man, like really, like what are we eating right now? So like this guy, we're gonna set him off.
He's ready to go. He's ready.
But you pound your meat again.
Okay.
Let's try this one more time.
Right, you're gonna get this going.
See, beautiful. See,
a little bit better, a little bit more thin.
I showed him the meat pounding ways.
He's
okay,
He's got it.
I got you.
All right, guys. So we've got everything set up here. Gabe's gonna go ahead and dredge my pork tenderloins for me, and then I'm gonna drop these guys in and get them nice and going in this oil here. About 350 to 375. Ours is a little bit higher, but it's a little finicky on the stove there. Yeah, so we're gonna cook them real fast here.
So this is actually a common breading process that I use a lot. This is what I learned in culinary school too.
There you go.
It's very fancy. Do you wanna
I will finish
use one hand
yes,
and
one hand on this, and you want to make sure that you really get the panko in there.
Nice and hot.
Nice and hot.
Ooh, that's beautiful.
Oh, that is good. That is good. All right, so we got our pork katsu going. Or actually, we got it done. We are going to start with our sauce for our green beans. So we actually, the recipe called for 4 tablespoons of butter, but we actually have more green beans than butter, so we're just going to polydine it.
Oh, we're just going to polydine it?
Throw the whole stick of butter in there and get that going. We're going to melt that butter down.
We can polydine it.
That's right.
Stick of butter goes with everything.
With everything, right?
Just
like the salt.
Stick of butter. Yep. Salad, stick of butter.
Stick of butter on salad.
Yep, stick of butter on salad.
That's what you want. This down, we're going to add the lemon zest.
Oh, lemon zest?
Lemon zest. And then we're going to throw the green beans in on there, start tossing them together, throw in the lemon juice.
We're going to top it with some cheese.
Top it with some cheese and call it a night.
Yeah. I'm not going to lie, be careful, you got some water in there.
A little bit of water in there. A little bit of water don't hurt, that's fine.
Oh, it does when it splashes back in.
He told me not to be afraid of.
Yeah, don't be afraid
of the oil.
Unless it starts splashing back, then you're
We're kind of out of luck. It all tastes so good. I think we're gonna have a good meal tonight. Those fat guys, we know how to eat.
I've done a lot of manual labor today, so I'm ready to eat.
Yeah, it smells amazing.
Yeah, we need smell-o-vision.
Smell-o-vision, that's right.
We need Willy Wonka to get on it right now.
Yes.
Patent it, sold, I'm buying it.
Samsung, LG, somebody, get it going, because Y'all need to smell this.
Yeah,
This
smell-o-vision needs to happen.
amazing. The green beans look to be pretty much good. I think we're gonna cool them off the heat, set them behind us. And then we got one more thing to make. We got a nice tonkatsu sauce that Gabe was gonna actually make for us. I told him he could get his hands dirty with that.
Yeah.
All right, guys. I've just been eating some of our pork katsu.
we're trying to eat all the green beans and see how many of them we can eat.
I can imagine eating. I mean, I could imagine eating that entire thing of green beans. Are amazing. So we're gonna go ahead and make this tonkatsu sauce. A lot of ingredients here. Gabe is like the resident sauce expert, so I trust him to make this sauce because him and I kind of
concurred that it's not necessarily a like traditional tonkatsu sauce, but it's a close enough sauce. It's kind of a Japanese style barbecue sauce per se.
Walmart brand.
Yeah, well, we're going Wild World on this, but so you need about 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar.
It's all about eyeballing, you know. We don't use measuring cups in this house, all right? We don't even have it.
Yeah, we don't know what measuring cups are. Then you need about a tablespoon of soy sauce. Then we need about a tablespoon of brown sugar. We're gonna add about a teaspoon of yellow mustard. Ooh.
I love his idea of what a teaspoon and a tablespoon is.
It's gonna taste great whether we like it or not. Okay.
Whether we like it or not. What's next?
And then we're gonna add just a little bit of salt, about a half teaspoon of ginger, and then we're gonna add another half teaspoon of garlic powder, and then we're gonna add just a pinch of nutmeg, and then we're gonna add about a half teaspoon of onion powder, and then give that a nice whiskey whisk.
The flavor balance. The man knows his flavors. All right. Yeah, that good, eh?
Wow, that's actually here. You try. Yeah, you try a little bit of that.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
That's gonna go beans.
Yeah, with the green beans. Yeah, that's gonna be really good.
All right.
We better plate up.
Yeah, let's plate this up because we've been eating the green beans for the past like 20 minutes, and we're just gonna stop talking.
Yeah, they are amazing. So I'm gonna give them too many green beans. So that looks about right.
Oh, we're still gonna eat them all. That's happening. And then we're gonna take our pork, and kind of cut it on the bias.
Get a little bit of this sauce here. Oh, a little bit of Parmesan on there.
A little bit of Parmesan.
All right, guys, we got it plated up finally. The Parmesan on there, and man, that
looks really good.
Amazing! I cannot wait to dig in.
I got a little bit of that sauce on there.
That sauce is really good.
I'm pretty sure I could just eat the green beans like all day long. But the pork with that sauce and those green beans.
Oh, the lemon there too. Everything's coming together. Dude.
You outdid yourself. I tell you what, I'm proud. I've taught him well.
Learned a little bit. You know, I got a little bit of skills myself, but if I made the game straight happy, that's all that matters.
That's right. Here, do you want a little bit?
Oh yeah. Hook me up.
No, that's all you. Alright guys, there you have it. A beautiful dish made by my buddy. If you guys like this video, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification button. Comment down below. Tell me what else I need to do next. Or what you guys would like to see me make next. And on that note, peace out guys.